Hello friends, in today's video I am going to show you how you can use Go High Level Funnel Builder and what are the features it has. I will give you the complete walkthrough of the funnel builder. So first of all, log in into the Go High Level software and search for the funnels and websites. Click on it and go to the funnels section. Here you can create multiple funnels. To create a new funnel, click on the new funnel button. Here you can use pre-built templates or you can create a new funnel. When you click on the go to template library, you will see lots of pre-built funnels for lots of businesses. You can choose any of them. I have already chose one template from the template library. So let's see how it looks. This is the template of an agency. Here you will see lots of things such as you will say the that you can add new steps here. For example, let's add one new step. Let's say it first step, and you can create this funnel step. You can create as many steps you want. And let's see what are the options you have available here. You can see all the stats such as how many people has visited your websites. You can see all those things in here. You can also get the details of how many sales this page has generated, and you will also get the settings. Here you can change the name of the funnel. You can change the path. If you want to input any tracking code, then you can put it in the header section. And you can add a custom domain. You can even add a favicon URL, and after that you can also add a tracking code in the body section. So these are the options available. So let's see first page of this funnel. So this is the page. You can edit it anything. You can delete this or you can edit it. So what are the options here? Let's see. This is the desktop view. If you want the mobile view, then you can also do it. On the mobile view, you will see the mobile version. Now the next thing is settings. Here are the SEO metadata. You can add the SEO metadata, and this will be visible by the Google search engines. You can add the tracking codes in the header code. You can add the footer code. You can add both places. And next setting is custom CSS. You can even add custom CSS, and you can change the look of this funnel. You can change the background. You can add the background image URL and you can change this background, or you can upload it your own. And there is a pop-up window which will appear according to your wish. You can make this pop-up appear when they click on a button, and you can add things like forms or any images, or you can redirect to any another website. So this is the use of the pop-up. So in the this funnel you can change anything. For example, if you want to edit this text, you can add this is a test funnel. You can add link to this button. Like for example, www.google.com. If you have used ClickFunnels before, then you can very easily use this funnel builder. You can even add a lot of sections, lot of rows. Like I have added one section and you can add more rows. And here you can add other headlines like this is the large headline and so on. You can align this text left and right or in the center. You can give box shadow. You can increase its font size. You can change its color. You can make it italic. You can do lot of things from here. You can even change the padding of this text. There are lots of options available. You can add the borders and so on. So you can basically add anything you want. You can even add videos and even pictures in this page. And you can add a link to this button to the next funnel page. You can do that by clicking on this button and go to the button actions and click on next step. Here you can add the next step, and when somebody will click on this button, then they will be redirected to the next step of this funnel, and you can save it. And after saving, then you can get a preview of it as well. So it has been saved and you can see the preview how it looks. So this is the preview. So this is the text we have added, and in this button we have hyperlinked our website google.com. So let's click it and see whether it's working or not. So it has redirected to the google.com. That means it's working. So everything is working fine. So for this example, we have created a funnel, and we have edited the buttons and text, and we have shown what are the features this funnel builder has. So if you want to use this funnel builder, then you can use it and tweak it as you like. So I hope you like this video, and if you have any questions, then you can ask in the comment sections below. And if you want the 14-day free trial of Go High Level software, then you can click in the description below and sign up from there. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.